What's up guys, Brian here, aka Tech and Gaming, and I'm back with another tech video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have audio coming out of two different headsets by Scarlett and by Razer Kraken simultaneously while being able to hear each other talk if you want to do a live stream for dual audio and you don't want it going through your speakers or your mic to pick up and then you get background noise and it's just a mess. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto Google and just type in Voicemeeter. It just should be the first thing, VB Audio. So, all you want to do is scroll down and select the exe file and install that. So once you have it all installed, let's minimize this now. All you're going to want to do is open up Voicemeeter. Give it a second so it can initialize. And this is the only software you actually have to download. You don't have to download a virtual audio source. Additionally, like in the other video I did with Discord, this is the only program you need. So I'll explain what each column is and how it all works. So for the first one here, you're really not going to do actually anything with this. We're just going to ignore it and I'll explain what this is in a second. So your hardware input 2, in my case, is my microphone that I'm talking into right now. Virtual input is going to be the actual program itself, which we're going to make our default audio setting. So if you go and bring up your sounds, your playback, and you want to click Voicemeeter input, so set default. So that is now this program as your main source. So instead of being your speakers or your headphones, it's this source. And that's what the virtual input is. For your hardware out, in this case, I have my Focusrite USB because that's going to be one set of headphones. And I'm going to have, in this case, it's speakers, and I have a set of headphones plugged into the speakers, or I can have my USB Razer Kraken plugged in, and it'll appear here as well. So I can choose either one of those for both speaker outputs, and then they'll start playing through both speakers, well, through both headsets at the same time. And with having my mic in here as well, you can actually hear yourself talk, so you can control your voice level, as well as the person sitting beside you can also hear. So you guys can wear both headphones, and if the noise canceling, you can still hear each other talk. So you don't go, wait, what did you say? What did you say? It's a really neat little feature. Now, the hardware input is if you wanted to add something else. So like another microphone added in, or even the Discord, being able to do that. I really don't use the first hardware input. I just stick with the second hardware input being my microphone and the two hardware outs being both headsets, and it works wonderfully. And that's about it. So all you gotta do is have these settings. Make sure your Voicemeeter is on default. And screw around with your voice, well, your volume's on here, because Windows doesn't actually allow you to adjust if you have a scroll wheel or something on the keyboard. Your volume's not going to be able to adjust if you have this set to a default. You actually have to manually select your volume levels on this. So I hope this video helped, guys. Leave comments down below if you have any questions, or if you want to see anything else tech related or software related. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!